The Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro, while initially appearing to be a feature-rich smartphone, has several drawbacks that make it a less compelling option in the current market. One of the most significant concerns revolves around its long-term performance. Users have reported issues such as rapid battery degradation, with the device requiring more frequent charges over time, which detracts from its portability and convenience. Moreover, instances of overheating during intensive tasks, such as gaming or prolonged video recording, have been noted, which not only impacts the usability but could also raise concerns about the device's durability. While the Snapdragon 7's Gen 2 processor is marketed as a capable mid-range chipset, it struggles to keep up with more advanced processors offered by competitors in the same price segment, leading to occasional lags, slower app load times, and reduced efficiency in multitasking scenarios. The camera performance, although decent in good lighting conditions, falls short in low-light environments, producing images with noise and reduced clarity, which is disappointing for photography enthusiasts. Additionally, the software experience, while feature-packed, is often marred by bloatware and ads within the interface, making the user experience less seamless and enjoyable compared to cleaner alternatives. Build quality and durability concerns have also surfaced, with users mentioning issues such as scratches and wear appearing sooner than expected, even with normal usage. Furthermore, with rapidly evolving technology, other manufacturers are offering devices with better hardware specifications, higher refresh rate displays, and longer software support at comparable prices. When considering these factors alongside the Redmi Note 13 Pro's limitations, potential buyers might find it more prudent to explore alternative options that provide better value, performance, and reliability over time.